Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new project to share with you. It's our Picture Perfect album, and if you're a follower of mine you may recognise this one on the top. It was part of the August 2017 kit and altered in papers from the Imagine collection 8x8 pad from Graphic 45. So we've taken the cover set, we've modified it, made it a little deeper so that you can get a little bit more in, and we are re-releasing it today in a kit form and a PDF. So let me take you through the project and the different ways that you can decorate it. It's a fun little album, sort of pint-sized really, as you can see. So all fits together in a neat little box and then unfolds to reveal all sorts inside. So let me take you through this one first. Zoom in a little bit. This was decorated in the Time is an Illusion collection from Stamperia. So a pad of 10 papers, 2 of them had cutouts on, so 8 papers, and it decorates this complete project. I've used one of the cutouts on the cover. We've got really lovely sides here, altered in the papers. This is a paper in 2 halves. There's some really grungy of oranges, burnt umbers and duck egg blues, and then some pretty pinky florals as well. And I've worked them all into the album. So we've got a really lovely sort of double cover with a magnetic closure. This cover set does come as a pre-cut MDF set if you wanted to buy that. It does give you a really durable cover, and over time it doesn't sag, which is why I have the covers cut in MDF. So the magnets are inset, so magnetic closure, and then it opens out and you can start layering pictures as you go. So a nice space here at the top and again at the bottom, and then this one opens out. Let's just lift it up, and I've added a little pocket here to pop. Just got a photo mat in, but you could put ephemera in there. And then on both of the side flaps we've got photo frames that have their own photo mat so that you can slide your picture in. So you can add photo frames or not. I've put them on both sides of these side flaps. I knew I'd have trouble with that. I didn't stick that top section down. But you can see that the photo mat just pulls straight out. Maybe I don't put it back in. Oh. And same on the inside. And look at those beautiful colours. I really love this mix. And the papers go so well together. So we've got all the crackle up here, we've got the script and the dots, all the splodgy script at the sides with a little hint of the blue and then the blue on the side. So a really great paper collection to work into this project. And then the centre is built on a card base. Perfect size for your 8x8 pads. So we've got a nice pocket here. But again, you could just have a flat surface. So I've used one of the cutouts from the collection. I thought that went really well in there. And then opening out, I've put another pocket on the inside. You could add more photo frames. And then on this side, we've just got 2 long tags and one of the pieces of paper I had left to make into a photo mat. Look at the colours and how it moves now into these florals with the script newspaper print, and then the corrugated paper and the old wallpaper look. Beautiful collection. I've been wanting to work with it for a while, and I thought this was the perfect project to use it for. So then when you open out, you can see a more floral look, lighter with these gorgeous vintage roses and leaves. So I'll just pop 2 of the cutouts, one cutout actually, and 1 piece of paper here into those side pockets. So again, plenty of room to pop things in. It's a great little album if you just want to commemorate an event but don't want to do an awful lot of work. And you can make it in a weekend as well. And then if you open up the ribbons in the centre, there is a waterfall. So 6 4x6 photo mats for you to put your pictures on, and then a nice centre area to put pictures, or you could do a little layout in there, would look really nice. So a really fun little album, quick and easy to make, but use your favourite papers and it looks stunning. So I'm just going to tie this one up and then take you through the next one. I put doodads, my signature doodads, on the end of the ribbons. It just gives those ribbon ends a purpose, and they hang in the right direction rather than doing what ribbons do, which drives me bonkers. And then the sides come in, sit nice and flat over each other, and then the bottom folds up and the top folds down. So dimensions for this: 8.5 high, 7 inches wide, and 1 3/4 inches deep when it's all closed up. So that is the Time is an Illusion version. And then I thought, oh, it'd be really nice to do a Christmas version. Fashion Forward by Graphic 45 had just arrived. So I've taken out the Christmas papers from the 12x12 paper collection and the 8x8 paper pad. So 2 each of this gorgeous Christmas paper. And then 2 green, 2 yellow and 2 pinky red 12x12s from the Patterns and Solids, and 2 stickers. And that has made the album. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 papers, 2 of which were 8x8. And there was a little bit of the Patterns and Solids left. So I've used little black detail on the front here. That is a 1/8 black card strip, just highlighted with glossy accents, that carries on across the top. I did put a black back on it and then used offcuts of the paper on the sides just to cover the spines. But actually, those few papers decorated this lovely Christmas album, and it would make a great keepsake from your Christmas this year. So we've just got a pocket at the top on that gorgeous yellow, an ephemera card in here just so that you can see. I haven't put pictures and things in, but I just wanted you to be able to see that you can pop things in the pocket. And then the bottom folds down, and I've gone for the yellow at the bottom as well on this little pocket. So anything about 4 inches deep will go in these pockets. And then I use the Patterns and Solids on the sides so that I could use the gorgeous Christmas paper on the frames, which really makes them stand out. And then there's a slidey photo mat that you can pop your picture on and slide in to the album. So there are 4 frames. How nice does that look? I love it. I love this gold. And it sort of goes with the twiggy bits in the background of the Christmas paper. So I thought those 3 colours together, toned with the paper, was just perfect. I haven't put stickers, I haven't put any embellishments on this at all. I've just left it completely plain. And actually sometimes that's nice. So again, we've got a ribbon tied centre that opens up. 2 pocket pages for you to slide your pictures in. Spot the mistake. I put the paper on here upside down. I couldn't believe it. Anyway, when I noticed, it was just too late. So I did it the same on the other side as well, so that they matched. So 2 lovely pockets, and then open up, and 2 on the inside. Again, these could be your photo mats, or you could just pop photos into those pockets. And then the lovely waterfall in the centre. So it's not a complicated album to make, but really, really effective. And then there are the 6 4x6 photo mat bases to pop your pictures on, and that lovely centre area. So that's the Christmas version, but you could make it for a birthday, you could make it for a baby shower, you could make it for a christening, even a wedding, just a nice small keepsake. And then I'm going to take you through the original one so that you can just see what it looks like if you wanted to embellish it. So that's decorated in the Fashion Forward papers by Graphic 45. And then the original was the 8x8 Imagine pad. So we have got cutouts on here, we've got cut pieces from the papers, another cut apart, nice pocket at the top with the border, a little ephemera up there, and then the stripes at the bottom again with a little pocket made with this band of stamps. And then the thing that I loved about this collection was the balloons. I'm really not sure that you can get it anymore, we certainly don't have it, but I frame those with the slide-in picture frames, and then again in the pink on the inside. So this album only has 3 colourways, pink, blue and yellow, but it looks fun. And it's got a real party feel to it, or even a holiday bon voyage feel. So again, 2 little pockets there with the ephemera, or cutouts, on that yellow stripe. I'm terrible for stripes, I love them. And then on the inside cover I put 2 more photo frames, or the inside of those flaps. And then right in the centre we've got those 6 photo mats and a large photo frame, although I didn't really think that was too practical, but it looked good. So that was the original one. So as I say, we've revised the album cover set. It's slightly deeper so that you can fit slightly more onto the flaps, and they sit nice and flat when they're closed. Let's just tie these up. So they fold in like that, fold up, and then fold over, and it closes. So let's bring them back in and tell you what else we've got. So if you love MDF covers, then we have the cover set available, and we've also got a bundle. So you use your own papers, but the bundle has everything else in it that you need. So the black card, the MDF cover set, magnets, round tabs, the black ribbon, and our signature construction tape to put the whole cover set together. So I'll put the links in the description below to the projects. Oh, both come with the PDF, and the PDF also gives you all of the dimensions to cut your own cover set out of 2mm chipboard, and a generic cutting guide for the papers to cover all of the sections of the album. The PDF also includes a video assembly guide that shows you exactly how to assemble the covers using our signature black construction tape, whether you've bought the cover kit or you've cut your own from chipboard, how to make the photo frames, how to make the centre fold out waterfall section, and add the ribbons as well. So if you're overseas and you don't want to worry about postage, but you love the style of the album and would like to make it yourself, all you do is click on the PDF link below, and all of the dimensions to cut your own covers from chipboard are in there. You will need our signature construction tape to assemble it though. It's not one that really you can wrap with card. So I hope you've enjoyed that walkthrough. I hope I've inspired you to be creative with all of these gorgeous collections that are out on the market. Thank you very much for watching. Do give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with new projects and products as they come out. Bye for now.